Mastering collocations in informal emails. Speak like a native. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our Advanced English Vocabulary series, focusing today on collocations in informal writing, specifically when writing emails. We all know that writing can be tricky, but with the right collocations, your emails will sound natural and convincing. So, let's dive right in to make your informal emails more fluent and engaging. In the realm of informal emails, we use a set of specific collocations to bring a casual, friendly tone. A collocation is simply a pair or group of words that are often used together. In this section, we will cover some commonly used collocations in informal emails. Touch base. This means to briefly contact someone. For example, I just wanted to touch base and see how you're doing. Catch up. This means to talk to someone about what they have been doing recently. For example, let's catch up soon. I'd love to hear about your new job. Drop a line. This means to write to someone. For example, feel free to drop me a line if you need any help. It's important to use the right collocation in the appropriate context to make your email sound more natural. Here are some scenarios. 1. Giving advice. When offering advice, we might say, "You should definitely give it a shot," meaning you should try it. 2. Expressing gratitude. When expressing thanks, we might say, "Thanks a bunch for your help," with "thanks a bunch" being a more informal way to say thank you. 3. Invitations. When inviting someone, we might say, "Why don't we catch up over coffee?" using catch up to mean spend time updating each other on our lives. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Remember, the more you use these collocations, the more naturally they will come to you when you write. Let's create a mock email. Subject: Long time no see. Hey Sam, just wanted to touch base and see how you've been doing. It's been a while since we last caught up. Thanks a bunch for sending that book recommendation over. I found it really interesting. Also, next time you're in town, drop me a line. Why don't we catch up over coffee? Take care. Best, your name. Well, that wraps up our lesson on collocations in informal email writing. Hopefully, this will help you add a dash of native speak to your emails and make them more personal and engaging. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to give it a shot. Happy writing, and we'll catch up in our next video. Until then, keep exploring the beauty of English.